Hello, welcome. This is my Soft Beautyful Calculator here. I will show you calculate it first. Hope you will like it. First I will do the multiplication. Now it is working fine. If I want to reset it, just click on AC. Now I will show you addition. Addition is also working fine. Now I will show you subtraction here. I will subtract 45 by 10. You will see it is also working fine. Now at last I will show you the division here. You can divide anything here. It is also working fine here. So this is my Soft Beautyful Calculator. Hope you will like it. Now I will show you the code for the calculator. This is my code. First I will show you the HTML file here, index.html. First I have given the title, and after that a link related to the CSS, and given a bootstrap link for the font awesome site. And after that, for the navigation bar I have used a div class container for the display, and given a placeholder also. And for the buttons I have used a div class, and the rows I've also used a div class. And for the button ID, you will click on C key, you will go to the backspace. I have used on click function here, and also on click function for the pen. And for the buttons I have used button class here. Now and also I have given a ID for the AC. If you click on that, you will see the value of the screen. Now for the row I have used an on click function also for the buttons, as for 7, 8, 9 and division button. And div class for the row I have uses buttons for 4, 5, 6 and multiplication. And for the row I have uses on click button for the square and the tan button, and for 1, 2, 3 and subtraction. And at last for the row I have uses button on click for the E button, and also for the pose and span for the position, and given it to the bottom for 4M right and 1M, and given a button for 0 and point, and also uses a button for eval on click which will show you the value of the screen. And now at last I have uses a h2 tag for the Soft Beautyful Calculator, and also uses a font awesome uh, icon here, and a style I have uses a font size of 100px. And at last I have uses a javascript file here. Now we'll show you the CSS folder. In the style.css I have uses the body for padding, margin, display, justify content, align items, min height, user, select, background. I've uses a color for the background. And for the container I have uses a margin left for 1.8 am, and padding 20px, border radius 8px, and box shadow 13, 13, 20, and color CBC ED1. And for the content, for the div class I've used a width, margin, display, justify content, align items, and flex direction. And for the row button I've used a width of 60px, height 30px, font size 16px, border none and outline also none, and margin 5px, border radius 4px, transitions 1 second, and box shadow 5px, 5px, 8px, and the color. And for the button hover I have used as a box shadow and a background. And for the display of the screen I have used a margin bottom of 0.5 m, width auto, height 70px, font size 35px, outline none, border none, text align right, and padding right. Background color I have used as a border radius 6px, and box shadow 888, and the colors CBC ED1. And for the eval I've used as a background color and the box shadow here. And for the hover, it's over, I've used as a box shadow of 5558, and for the color 00ACE6, which you can use. And for the background I've used as a color of 33cc33 and color black, hashtag triple F. And for the hover I've used a box shadow of 558px and the color, and also I've used this for the CE background and the color, and it's over. I've used a box shadow as usual 5px, 5px and 8px. Now for the heading I have used this for the S2 tag, font size 40px, position relative, bottom 1em, margin left 1.2em, font family sans serif, color triple F, it's a black color, text transform uppercase, text shadow 1px, 1px and the color, and also for the all the letter spacing I have uses from 1 to 10, 1 to 8px, and for its span I have uses color 33cc33, font size 45px, text shadow I have uses of 1px, 1px and 1px, and the color D1D9E680, and also for all the colors from 1 to 6px I have uses, and for the S2FA I have uses a position absolute, top 1.5em and color hashtag 33cc. This is my CSS for the calculator application. Now we'll show you the JavaScript file. Let's go to the JavaScript file. I have named a script.js here. First I have used as a variable screen, and for the buttons I have used as a query selector here for the screens and the buttons. Now for getting the value of buttons, here we use a loop here, for loop for the item of buttons. I have used as a add event listener for the clicking on the button, and after that if button text is equal to multiplication, it will show you the button text in the multiplication, and if the button text is equal to addition, it will show you the button text division. Now screen dot value will see the button text. Now for the function scene I have used screen dot value and math dot scene screen value you will see. Now for the function cos, screen dot value is equal to math dot cos, and screen dot value you will see the value in the screen once you will add or subtract. And for the function tan I have used as screen dot value is equal to math dot tan, and you will see the value in the screen with the help of a screen dot value. Now for the function po, I have also used the screen dot value and math dot po and screen dot value and 2. And for the function squat, I have uses screen dot value, math dot sqrt, screen dot value and 2. Now for the log function I have uses screen dot value is equal to math dot log and screen dot value. Now function pi I have uses screen dot value is equal to 3.1415926535 Now function e I have uses screen dot value is equal to 2.7182182846, and for the function fact I have uses a var I and a num and a f. If f is equal to 1, number is equal to screen dot value. For I is equal to 1 and I is greater than is equal to num and I plus plus, it will go increasing, and f is equal to f, it will multiply by I. Now and I is equal to I minus 1, screen dot value is equal to f. Now at last for the function backspace I have used a screen dot value is equal to screen dot value subtract and 0 screen dot value and length till the minus 1. Now I will also provide you the code for my calculator application. With the help of your code you can learn and also use for your project. It will in the description link. Thank you very much.